Hi, in front of me is Realme 8 and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock on this device. First of all, go into menu. Now you need to click on clock and tap on this icon at the bottom right corner. Then set up an hour and when you're done, tap on ring once or custom. I will go with custom, so now if I click on it, I can tap on repeat and select days of the week in which my alarm will go off. I will go with Mondays, so I have to click every Monday and go back. Now you can click on the switchers next to vibrate and snooze to disable or enable these options. Then click on alarm name, label your alarm however you want to and save your changes by clicking on this icon at the bottom right corner of your keyboard. Then choose ringtone and pick one of these melodies as your alarm sound by clicking on the chosen one and going back. But you can also tap select from files, pick music from your device by clicking on the chosen song and going back. Then, if you're done, click at the top right corner over here to save your alarm. As you can see, my alarm clock was successfully added, but if you want to turn it off completely, you can always click on the switcher next to it. Then pick one of the options. If you want to turn it back on, just click at the same switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!